Alright, so here we are at the Cambria Denver Airport. It's going to be a hotel tour of this property. So starting from outside, this way is through the parking lot. It looks like they have gated parking lots. I'm not sure when those gates actually close or if they are normally closed. But that is something they can do. Is this fuzzy? I hope not. Let me see. Let me see if this is fuzzy real quick before we continue. Okay. That's a little better. I know I need a new phone, but I haven't gotten to it yet because, phone's expensive. Okay, so there's the security to enter normally. It's unlocked for the time being. This is the lobby area. Check-in and lobby space here. Nice sitting area. There's a bar over there. And then there's a lovely little station where you can buy drinks and liquor from 8 to 11 p.m. for liquor. Looks like over here is a little snack station. So these are all the different things you can, go to buy snacks and whatnot. ATM or snacks. Probably snacks, right? I don't know how much they are. They don't put prices. Do they put prices on any of these? No, they don't.
That's how they get you.
Pretty much, yeah. They're probably more expensive than usual just because of the convenience factor normally.
Yes.
There's Mariah looking. You're gonna look at yourself and be like, I look funny. I just know it. You always do. This is one of the hallways. I don't think so. There's carts. I don't think there's anything else down here. Is there anything?
No.
I didn't pre-explore this building. Normally I do. When I do the tours, normally I'll pre-explore so I know where everything is.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Here's a sign. Pool spa. There's a fitness center, guest laundry. So it is this way.
Where's my pool? I want to go to the pool. Not now.
Yeah, normally I pre-explore and I'm like, okay, I know where this is. Fitness center.
Oh.
Check out the wood card.
Should I go to the gym?
Hold on a sec. Wood card. Completely wood. No label. Just wood. There we go. That's kind of cool, though. I like the wood cards. It's actually, I've never been able to get one of those before, so.
It's just a bunch of...
This is a big room. Wow.
Yeah.
They got a lot of nice machines here. Free weights. Let's see, what's the max weight? Probably, is that 60? Wow. These are heavy. And I gotta get back in there. Yeah. 60. Normally the highest they have is 50. Treadmills. You doing the elliptical, that's funny. Now we're only in here for 30 seconds, just so you know. Yeah, come back another time, because right now...
Do all the healthy things, eat breakfast and work out.
Alright, so we're going to go to the pool and spa here.
Yes! That's what I'll do, I'll just swim.
The Onity locks. Hey, it's not in use right now, so I can record it here. You about to dive in. I'd be like, she's nuts. She dives into the pool like that. No, yeah, it's pretty cool. It's about average hotel size. The doctored photos that most hotels have usually make them look a little bigger, but it's actually not terrible. Let's see what's outside. We got a nice outdoor seating area here. Nothing too crazy, but it's a nice spot. There she is, coming outside. You coming outside? Cool. You wandering in circles. I can tell you're tired. I wonder if this works. It does. The cover's just missing. That's not good.
Go.
Okay, you want me to go first?
Like I should be in this.
It shouldn't be in what?
This big.
Oh, you're fine. You're fine. Window is this?
Ooh.
That one does not work. That's a conference room. Yep, so and then there's the bathrooms. Both of those. I'm like going in a circle here. Try not to do this too fast. Alright. So over here, this is the elevator. Let's see, is there any other sign that tells me anything important over here? No. I wonder if it's over this way. Let's see if there's anything else. Pikes Peak. These conference rooms usually don't have access to. Yeah, we don't.
No, definitely not.
Sometimes you do, actually. So, and some hotels you can. But I think this is all just conference rooms and staff rooms on this side.
You said you could tell I was tired. How would you tell?
Because you're walking in kind of a dizzy fashion.
Yeah, definitely.
There's a stairway right there.
Oh, nice.
That's a little exit and loading dock area.
Look at the laundry. Whoa, look at the laundry.
Oh, yeah, that's the commercial laundry. So you can't wander in there. That's a staff room.
I know, but check it out.
You can't. I mean, you theoretically can. It's possible. But they don't want you to. And then there's the other side. We were at the lobby, and then the bar right there again. Yeah, this is a nice little spot. Full service bar and everything. Alright, you ready to head up to the room? This hotel tour is an easy one. It's a nice short, wait for the next car.
Yeah. I thought about it for a second.
Alright, go ahead and call it. ThyssenKrupp elevators. Come on here. I'll pause the wait.
So 6. Oh, we're doing it.
We're just going to the room. There's nothing else on 6 anyway.
Yeah, it's fine. Maybe a roof.
Yeah, generally the roofs of hotels, they don't have like sky decks or anything.
No.
Sometimes you can get on the actual roof in some places when they don't lock the door.
That's so funny.
But I can't show that in the tour, even if it is, so.
Don't.
Yeah, housekeeping on that side. And then there's the pathway. We didn't go to the laundry room. My focus here is really bad. What's happening with that?
You hear that sound?
Yeah, that's music.
No. The other sound. You gotta walk more towards.
I want to see the
No, sure.
vending machines and ice, wherever that is.
Exit sign?
Yeah, they have them. It's a little broke. I mean, that happens when you put them on the floor. So that's something hotels do, because if it's smoky, you want to be able to get down and see the signs. That's why they do that.
I've never seen it before.
So, vending.
Where's that?
Just ice machine.
Oh, sad.
I don't need too much ice. I just want one. Oh, it doesn't work. Rip.
Why would an ice machine in a hotel work? Come on now.
I mean, there's actually a fair amount of times ice machines are actually kind of hard to maintain.
So, yeah.
Yeah. They're basically big refrigerators. And
Listen.
is that your alarm?
Yes! It's my phone screaming at me.
329. All right, you go
Shut
get
off.
that.
Yeah, I'm like, wait.
Man. Let's see, room 329 at the Cambria.
Tell me to do something mildly important.
Mildly important.
Here, let me just.
You stepping out?
Yeah, I know. I'll just get out of the tour here.
Fair enough. Oop, door slammed shut. All right, as usual, we'll start with the room with the map. Check out noon. That's generous. All right. We got an ice chest here. Lid is heavy. No cups. Coffee cups. Coffee machine. A Keurig. Down here, there's a microwave. Oh. Mostly cold. Nothing in that one. No complimentary water heater. Bathroom. I never turn the light on in here. Normally I turn on all the lights, but I did not. This is kind of cool. Part of that mirror might be dead. Okay. Bluetooth. So what, does it have a speaker mode or something? That's interesting. Toilet. How do you flush this? Oh, there's a lever over here. Gets the job done. There's a hairdryer, extra toilet paper, little mirror. Is this one of those that lights? No, it does not. Definitely not. Shower. Access door for fire damper. Hello? Here, how's the shower? Pretty good. It's not bad. I should open the door. I have a visitor. Hello.
Hi. Thanks for letting me into my own room.
You're welcome. Darn. Here we have the living room. Little TV, couch, not nightstand, a footstool. This couch pulls out into a full-size bed. Maybe bigger. Might actually be like a queen or a king. Little desk there with a little chair. TV remote, and these must be the connections to the TV. All rooms are non-smoking. Just a little writing pad and a drawer. Oh, and as usual, of course, we gotta check out the mirror. King-size bed for this room. Does not come with that pink thing. I think that's hers. Nothing in the drawer there. Apparently there's a message on the phone. Here's the closet. Interesting. Just some pillows and some hangers. No iron board in here. Got a TV. And the drawers. See if there's anything in these ones. Probably not. No. Nothing in those ones. There's our air conditioner. Seems to work. Let's put up the blind and take a looky outside. There's our view. Without the reflection of me.
The arbitrarily placed vases in the middle.
Oh, that's the lamp.
Decorative vases.
Oh, I see what you mean. The lamp looks like a vase too. Yeah, that's just fillers. Gives you the illusion of privacy, you know, when you're sitting over there. I know someone wants real privacy instead of the illusion of privacy, so we'll close that window. Alright, and that's the end of the room tour. So, I guess with that being said, this will conclude this tour.